Okay, quick video time. You ever want to install a switch on your bike? You want to run it all the way to the console where it's supposed to be? There's an easy way to do a quick 3-pin toggle switch to power on and off any extra devices you put on. I installed one yesterday on my Love Jugs, which I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to take you through how to do one now. I'm going to use it for my rear view reverse camera. So I'm going to show you how. It's very fast, very easy, and you don't even have to know what you're doing, just like me. Okay, basically, I bought this on Amazon. I got a package of 6, I believe. They're basically toggle switches. Very simple to use. I don't know if this is coming out because it's kind of sunny here. It's just an on-off switch with an LED. 3 pins. Comes with a pack. Now there's 2 ways to mount it. You could just cut the hole and use just this, or you can cut a bigger hole and use one of the rings, kind of like what you have with the bigger plugs. Being that I'm going to mount this in my heat shield, this is perfect. Okay, this kit comes with wires. So basically what you're going to do is you have a gold, 2 silver. The gold is your ground. So you put the black wire on the gold. Put your red on the power. And the yellow for the other one for the switch. So basically, simple as that. The black is going to power the light. That's the ground. And these 2 are going to basically be the switch. So you're going to put one in between whatever you're trying to power and the battery, so it cuts off. So basically that's what you got. The black is going to power the LED. It's the ground. You can hook it up anywhere you want, anything to a metal bolt. The 2 red and yellow, it's very simple. One's going to go to the whatever unit you're installing. The other one's going to go to the battery. And it's just an on-off switch. Very easy to do. I'm going to put it on a heat shield, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, what you're going to need is a little bit of painter's tape and a step-up bit. Whoops, step-up bit. This is a little bit small for what I need. I should have had a larger one, but you go with what you got. Simply what you're going to do is put a little painter's tape because we don't want this heat shield to crack. Now you can put this anywhere you want on a bike. But let's see. Now you might not want to center it because you might want to put more than one switch somewhere on this bike. So for my purposes, I'm going to put it somewhere around there. Just make sure you don't drill into anything behind it. So I'm going to go a little bit lower. About here. Get all these little beautiful shavings. Now this obviously is not going to fit. It's a little bit too small, so you can just use the same step-up bit, or you can use a Dremel or whatever you want. Just see if that works. All right, take you around a bike real quick. I don't have my GoPro. I should have my GoPro on. Don't feel like doing it right now. I hooked up that in 15 minutes because I had a little problem, but it's pretty easy. 15 minutes. I did on both heat shields. Now I have my rear view camera running off of this one, which I'm pointing down. You can't see. Rear view mirror running off of this one, and I have my love jugs running off the other. Let's take a look. Take a look. Jesus Christ, I can't speak. Okay, so there's this one. Power on. There's my review camera. So it's simple as that. If I want to look at my rear view camera, just hit the power. Jeez. Go around to the other side. It's my love jugs with another switch. Power it on. Jugs, fans, to cool down when the bike's off. So if I wanted to cool down for a few minutes, I could leave it on. It'll cool down the engine. If I'm practicing somewhere, do some cone drills, I don't have to keep the engine on. I just keep the fan on with a little switch. Backup camera, I like to just reach down, hit the power on, good. Because otherwise, if you watch my other video, which I'll put up here, the backup camera is always staying on unless you find the right wire to lead in. I didn't feel like cutting through all these wires to find the right one. So with this, I have a kill switch, turn it on and off with a switch. Both on both sides. So I have left and right. It's only two I have now. I have room for more, obviously, if I want. The best part is, the heat shields are like 60 bucks from Hogworks. You can get them on Amazon for like 20 bucks. So if you ruin it, get a new one. So you can put a few different toggle switches on there if you want, or you can run it to your fairing. I'm just showing you an easier way to do it. Anyway, that's it. It only took a few minutes. It's not too hard. You don't even have to know what you're talking about electronically or electricianally. Any questions, put it in the comments. I'll walk you through it. It's easy. So that's it for today. Hope this helped you. Have a good one.